So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a full braid, a boss braid done. And what you have to do is to get the attachment first. This is the attachment I'm going to be using. Get the attachment, then you cut it. You make one side bigger than the other side. This is bigger and this is smaller. Then you cross it. You do it like so. So that when you are matting into three, it will be able to, now you'll be able to get same size in the three branches. So this is what we're going to be doing. I just want it to be very clear so that if you're doing it for the first time, you've not braided before, so you'll be able to like braid it. All you have to do is to roll it. You see how I knot it here? You just have to keep it like this, and then you go like this. You share your hair, the natural hair, into three, into the other. You share it into three to the three attachments. Then you cross it like this. Hope you can see very well. Make sure that your finger is pressing the hair downward. If not, it will pull off from the bottom. So when you press it, you mat it. It goes like this. Then you just do it like this, and then you hold it. Make sure that your finger is pressing the other one at the bottom. Then you mat it like this. It's not really difficult. If you want to know how to braid, it's easier. Just have to put your mind on it that you can do it. Then you'll be able to do it. Then you just mat. This is very beginner friendly, so if you want to braid, it's easier for you to just braid it. The braid I'm doing, I mixed 3 colors of attachments together: color 33, color 27, and color 30 all together to make this braid. You see how beautiful and how neat the braid is. So that's how to get a braid done. What I normally do when it gets to the tips, for the braid not to lose before I put it inside water, when it gets to the tips, I just twist it to lock the tips up. I just twist it down so it doesn't like unravel before I put it inside the hot water to knot it. So this is how it's going to look. You can see that underneath I twisted. So that's how it's going to look. So that's what I just want to show you guys, and hope this will help you. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Alright guys, so this is what I want you guys to achieve. You see how beautiful and how neat the braid is. Whenever I make braid, my clients always compliment my braid because they are so neat and so beautiful. So this is what I want you to achieve. If you want me to show you to post a video on how I achieve these tiny tips, how to stretch the attachment, I'm going to post a video for that. So if you want me to do any other video, please leave a comment below. I'm going to do the video and post it, please. If you want any question for my Q&A that is coming up, please leave a comment below. I'm going to post it. Thank you for watching. God bless.